Hey guys, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. I needed a little week off because, I was kind of tired and just needed to get away from cooking for a little bit. Anyways, today we're going to be learning that simple thing you need to learn in life, eggs. More specifically, my dad's famous cheesy eggs. And here's the ingredients you need. First thing we're going to do is crack the eggs and whisk them until the yellow part and the white part is blended together. Now we're going to melt the butter with the heat between 6 and 7 and use a wooden spatula to spread it around. Now that the butter's melted, we're going to pour the eggs in. Now we're going to begin our scramble process, which reminds me of a new dance, the scramble. Now we're going to put the cheese in it and continue to scramble it. Now we're going to let my professional taste tester and my special guest taste tester to try the eggs. But before that, I'm going to tell you something. You can use whatever cheese you want. I used mozzarella because it's pretty good. And you can use as much cheese as you want. Yeah, you can have them super cheesy. Deluxe cheesy. Okay. Rating from 1 to 10 from over. Okay, well. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And give a shout out to my friend Bella for making my oven baked tacos. She's doing pretty good, like very good. And I'm so happy to see that.
It was a 1,000.
I agree.